All right, gonna do a quick video. I got all the switches changed out in the kitchen. This is the main entrance. And we've got a dimmer switch, so don't know if you can really tell much about that in the video, but it's awesome. Then I went ahead and put dimmer switches, since we had them, on these under counter lights, and I think it's a good addition. Made them nice and tight. And here's this one. And again, it's nice. And up there. And also good and tight. All right, now make a quick jog. Into the restroom. And same thing, we've got two dimmers. There's that one. Nice. And then those. Very nice. Okay. And the trifecta is complete. And here, same thing. These are really bright. Okie dokie. Just wanted you to see these, Daniel. I'll get this sent to you.